I'm excited today because I've got a photograph from Switzerland from Ekk Lory, who's working on his design of the mini Rembrandt press. Uh, I'll put up a picture of it on the screen right now. You can see that he's cut out most of the parts for the modified version of the wee Woody Rembrandt press that I have here. And I'm really excited. He's redesigned the driving wheel and everything. I also am excited because we have a new member for our Patreon page, Ellen, in Seattle. Welcome, Ellen. And I'm also excited because I have a new phase going in the 3D printing project and in the Raspberry Pi press, and lots of good news about non-fungible tokens. We're waiting for the September 12th rollout of the smart contracts under Cardano, and there's still a lot of things happening in the Ethereum and Bitcoin NFTs. So much to do, much to look forward to. Thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, you notice by my hat that I'm at EStudios, the Electronic Studios and Arts Gallery island of domains of expertise in those fields, electronic studios and art galleries, in the Great Lake of Emeralda region, where we play a game called Escape Emeralda. Again, thank you.